Okay, brand new device, no problem at all. Turn on, comes on, date check, no problem at all. Hold down the fast, slow button. Record, as you can see, is enabled. I will pause it for a minute just so it doesn't take so long, but after exactly 2.5 minutes, even in record mode, it turns off. Okay, I've unpaused it. As you can see, it's still recording, and you can see on the timer how long it's been recording for. I'll just leave it here and you'll see, without touching anything, it's still in record mode. It'll just turn straight off. Yep, and there you go. Without touching anything, it just times out exactly after 2.5 minutes every time and switches the device off, even in record mode. I would expect that to happen if it was not being used, but with the record mode enabled, it should continuously keep recording without just switching off automatically.